What's up guys, it's DMike, Ubuntu KC co-founder, and I've got some crucial information about the future and the progress of Ubuntu and where we're heading and where we've been. So you're going to want to make sure that you watch this video till the end. Alright guys, so we've done it. We've been planning, talking, discussing, and bringing in all kinds of really great ideas. And that's all really great and good, but I just want to say that now is the time for actually doing. Yesterday was the first day. We had our food and gardening committee, our second one, and we actually got to get our hands in the dirt. So it's time to take action, guys. So if you've been attending the meetings and you've been, you're a part of the group, you're kind of looking in and you're just kind of checking it out and doing all that kind of stuff, seeing what's going on, that's all really great. We love that we're spreading that way. But if you want to take full advantage of the abundance and prosperity that's available to you in Ubuntu, it's time to get started. It's time to take action. And what I mean by that is we're going to start putting out all of our events that are going to be trackable with your 3 hours, because we know the principle of Ubuntu is that we contribute 3 hours of our time per week, and then we benefit from all of the massive abundance that the entire Ubuntu community creates. So yesterday was really exciting because I took roll, and that's really important because now instead of doing all the planning and talking, we're actually contributing our time. We're actually keeping track now. So we're starting to realize and separate and figure out who the actual contributors are. And these are the people that are going to benefit from all of the things that we create as a group and as Ubuntu KC. So there's not a lot to report that came from the meeting yesterday other than we started. We're actually doing. We got our hands dirty. We were digging in the soil. We were cleaning out our plot of land, and we were visualizing how the garden is going to look whenever it's growing fruit, whenever it's growing vegetables, and we're doing everything that we need to, putting all of our energy and good intention in and reaping our benefits. And the coolest thing about it, guys, was we were out there we went out at about 3 o'clock and we got done at about 6 o'clock. So we were out there for 3 hours and we were all kind of talking and having fun, playing in the soil and, listening to music and just kind of communing with everybody there. And we were there for about 3 hours. And this is the power and excitement of Ubuntu, is that could be our entire work week right there. Can you imagine that? Just spending a few hours outside chilling with your tribe, hanging out and playing in Mother Earth and getting dirty in the dirt and doing all this, and then for a few hours, and then you're done for the week. You got 165 hours to do whatever it is that you are here to do. Man, doesn't that sound amazing? So one of the things that we did kind of do was we redefined some of the roles. We've been reading the book and we've been assessing what it is that we need to do as a community and defining who has what capabilities and what knowledge bases and how we can put that to use for the best possible use of the community. And we've got everything, all of our agreements and everything in place now, and it's time to just start contributing and thriving. And that's what Ubuntu is affording us the opportunity to do, is exactly that. So I just want to once again reiterate the massive contribution that everybody has been putting together, and all of the thoughts and intentions that we've been putting in our escrow. It is now coming to fruition. So come on Saturday, the February 24th, here at Soul Ascension Spiritual Center is going to be the biggest meeting that we've had yet. And I keep saying that every time, and every time that it's true. And we're literally bursting out of this space, and we've got some amazing opportunities that are going to give you an opportunity to just jump right in and get involved with Ubuntu. So thanks again, guys, and we look forward to seeing you very soon. Love, light, and peace profound. In unity and resonance. I'm DMike. Namaste.